There's a special magic in traveling alone, a freedom that lets you reinvent yourself. You're a blank slate, free to choose your own adventure. Solo travel isn't just about new places, it's about discovering who you are when no one's watching. You make every decision, from breakfast to which mountain to climb. Each small victory, navigating a city, ordering a meal, builds your confidence. You learn to enjoy your own company and find joy in the simple things. The world opens up in ways it never could with a group. Solo travel is a journey inward as much as outward. You discover what excites you, what scares you, and what you're capable of. Maybe you find a passion for photography or a love for spicy food. You return home with more than souvenirs, you come back stronger, more independent, and more open. The transformation lasts long after the trip ends. This is the true gift of solo travel. It's a journey that changes you forever. Traveling alone is the fastest way to build real confidence. You're the planner, navigator, and problem solver. Every small win, finding your way, ordering food, proves your strength. Facing challenges head-on teaches you to trust your instincts. You learn to be your own best friend, enjoying quiet meals and sunsets alone. Your confidence grows from within, no longer needing validation from others. You become more open to new experiences and less afraid of failure. Solo travel rewires your brain. Challenges become opportunities. You start saying yes to life, both on the road and at home. The world feels less scary, and you realize you're more powerful than you imagined. Picking your first solo destination doesn't have to be daunting. Look for places that balance adventure and safety, like Slovenia's mountains and lakes, or the quiet islands of the Philippines. Southeast Asia offers affordable, friendly options. Try Vietnam's rice terraces or lesser-known islands. In South America, Bolivia's salt flats and Ecuador's rainforests are unforgettable. Research solo travel blogs and forums for real experiences. Listen to your gut. Do you crave mountains, beaches, or ancient cities? Offbeat doesn't mean dangerous, it means unique and personal. Prioritize safety, especially if you're a solo female traveler. The right destination is out there, waiting for your story. Your adventure is yours to create. The most important thing you pack is your mindset. Flexibility turns challenges into adventures. Missed buses and wrong turns become stories. Embrace the unexpected. Sometimes getting lost leads to the best discoveries. Face your fears by breaking them down. Book a social hostel, download offline maps, take small steps. Confidence grows from confronting, not ignoring your worries. Solo travel teaches you to be present. Notice the light, the sounds, the flavors. Be open to people. A smile or a question can spark a connection. Remember, you're stronger than you think. Everyone has tough days. Rest, recharge, and keep going. The journey is a marathon, not a sprint. Challenges make the rewards sweeter. Flexibility, courage, and openness unlock the magic of solo travel. Trust yourself. You're more resourceful than you know. That's the real adventure. Preparation is key to a safe solo adventure. Research your destination and local customs. Make digital and physical copies of important documents. Share your itinerary with someone you trust. Stay aware of your surroundings. Walk with confidence. Trust your instincts. Learn a few key phrases in the local language. Use an anti-theft bag and split your cash and cards. Keep your bag in sight, especially in crowds. Protect your digital info. Use a VPN and avoid public Wi-Fi for banking. Save local emergency numbers and get travel insurance. These steps give you peace of mind. With preparation, you can relax and enjoy your journey. Worried about loneliness? Hostels make meeting people easy. Join group activities or just chat in the common room. Not a hostel fan? Try day tours, cooking classes, or local events via Meetup or couch surfing. Even a simple conversation at a cafe can spark a friendship. Be brave, take the first step. Respect local cultures, dress modestly, learn customs, ask before taking photos. Remember, you're a guest. Curiosity and kindness go a long way. Protect the environment, leave no trace, avoid single-use plastics, and support local businesses. Offbeat places are fragile. Help keep them special. Responsible travel means meaningful experiences for you and future travelers. Kindness and respect open doors everywhere. Travel with an open heart and mind. That's how you make every journey unforgettable.